Hey traders, welcome to my channel. And this channel, I'm using it to document my trading strategy I've been working on for months now. I've been working on this strategy for a long time. I've forward tested it on the 15-minute time frame, and then on the 1 hour, and then on the 4 hour chart. That's what I'm currently testing it on. And I've been doing it since July of this year, and the result has been quite great. And when you look at the history, and I've had 16 trades, and out of the 16 trades, I've won 10 of them. And my rules I follow is when I enter a trade, I don't take partial profit. I always go for 1:2, and then when the trade gets to 1:1, I break even. So the trade either hits TP or hits stop loss. I don't take partial profit or anything. So when you look at the data we have here, I've had 10 wins, including the break-even trades. I've added the break-even trades because they are also winning trades. That means the trade went to 1:1 risk to reward, and then it came back to hit SL. So I count that also as a winning trade. And then I've had 6 losing trades. So it's quite a profitable strategy. And even though I have some trades running right now, as you can see, but this is a demo account. I'm forward testing it on the market, so I'm using a demo account. I started with a $10,000 account, and I now have a profit of 1,007, and I still have some trades running right now. And this is the profit I'm currently running on the account. These are the trades that are currently running on the account. We'll talk more about this in the next videos. I'm going to look at the trades individually, how I enter and how I exit. I mentioned it already. So see you. Have a great day. Bye.